Stop scrolling. We're back, and we're back with some more Neil Scott Luther the Great peppers. Some of these peppers are really super cool looking. Gotta believe this got to be a yellow reaper, right? Unless my color blindness is getting to me. Let's try this one first. Here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Right now I'm at a 3, but we got to keep going. Here's another one. Look at that. Show the pepper. One more. I held it up. Got to eat it. Here we go. Ah! My mouth is every bit of a 4. I'm every bit of a 6 right now. Right now my mouth is at a 7.